Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan, and on this Tiguan we're going to go over how you would replace this side marker light if your side marker light is not illuminating. So to start with, you will want to take out 2 bolts at least in your fender well to be able to reach in there and twist the connector out to get the light bulb out. You do not have to have the front tire removed. You could just turn the steering wheel to the, this is on the left side, so you would turn the steering wheel to the right to be able to gain access, and on the other side you would turn the steering wheel to the left, and that way the steering will be in like that and give you the space you need to remove the 2 bolts. So this fender well is fairly beat up, but when yours is fully intact, you use a T25 to unscrew this bottom one. The bottom one may give you enough space to be able to reach your hand in, and you would undo this upper one. But then you could reach in here and be able to just pull this out of the back of the housing, the plastic housing, and then you'll have the light bulb that you'll be able to just pull out and to be able to remove the side marker light. This light is a W3W 3K2 light bulb, so you would get a new bulb to put in it. Clear or amber, I mean it's amber color, so it really doesn't matter whether it's clear or amber because it's still going to show amber through. Just take your new bulb, put it in there, just line up the 2 tabs there, press it in, then be able to reach in, find the housing there, and be able to line it up and then press it in until it snaps into place. And that's how you replace your side marker light on your 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.